Yo guys, back to the channel. Hope you had an excellent festive season, Christmas and all. And yeah, Happy New Year, as this is the first video of 2026 by the undersigned. Now behold, a comeback. Well, not exactly. This is the new Clicks Communicator and it's built for communication or as a second device. That's anti-distraction for you. Mainly for doing work on the go. As for the design, it looks pretty much like a BlackBerry device, with that quarter keyboard which looks really cool, especially for those who like me have a certain age and remember the BlackBerry. For the others, you have to Google it. The keyboard is tactile, you get a button on the right to start voice recording and it can also transcribe that text for you. It has a 4.03-inch touch display, fingerprint sensor and scrolling as well integrated into the spacebar. You've got signal LED on the capture button and you can change different colors for different apps for people. You have a message hub and it has 3.5mm jack as well. It's also a clicks key for shortcuts, so you can map that to wherever you want. The battery is 4000 mAh silicon and also it has a nano SIM and EC compatible. Under the hood we have Android 16 and 50-megapixel camera on the main and 24-megapixel on the front. The storage we have 256 GB which could expand by using the microSD card up to 2 TB. It weighs just 170 grams and it supports G2 wireless charging and USB-C. So that is pretty much it guys. What do you think about the Clicks Communicator? Do you dig it or it's a pass for you? Let me know in the comments below. Leave a like and please do subscribe, as it counts free for you but helps my channel. Until the next one, take good care of yourself and each other. See ya.